Join me as I challenge myself to implement 3 game-changing meeting strategies that will boost student engagement like never before. As educators, we're always on the lookout for ways to enhance student engagement, especially during meetings. Effective meeting strategies can make all the difference in keeping students interested, motivated, and invested in the conversation. By incorporating these strategies, we can create a more collaborative and dynamic learning environment that fosters engagement and encourages participation. One of the biggest hurdles we face is distractions. You know, when students are checking their phones or chatting with friends, it's tough to keep them focused on the discussion at hand. Another challenge is getting students to participate. Some might be shy or feel like their opinions don't matter, and then there are those who just aren't interested in the topic. Whatever the reason, it's essential to find ways to overcome these obstacles and keep students engaged. We've all been there, sitting in a meeting, feeling like we're just going through the motions. But what if we could make meetings more interactive? What if we could get students excited about contributing to the conversation? Setting clear agendas can help. When students know what's expected of them and what's going to be discussed, they're more likely to come prepared and engaged. Encouraging student input is another effective way to boost engagement. By giving students a voice, we're showing them that their thoughts and opinions matter. Interactive activities can also be a game changer. Think pair share, group discussions, or even just a simple brainstorming session. These activities get students moving, thinking, and collaborating, all essential components of engagement. By incorporating these strategies, we can create a more dynamic and engaging meeting environment that encourages participation and fosters collaboration. One strategy that's shown significant results is the use of student-led meetings. By giving students the opportunity to lead the discussion, we're not only empowering them, but also providing a sense of ownership. For example, a teacher I know implemented student-led meetings in her classroom, and the results were amazing. Students were more engaged, more confident, and more willing to participate. They even started to take on leadership roles, facilitating discussions and guiding their peers. The impact of these strategies can't be overstated. By incorporating effective meeting strategies, we can increase student engagement, motivation, and participation. We can create a more collaborative and dynamic learning environment that prepares students for success. So, what are some strategies that you found effective in engaging your students? I'd love to hear about them in the comments. If you're interested in more educational content, be sure to check out our next video on all 5 ways to make learning more interactive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.